Alright, so we're doing a Y7 to Y8 manifold swap. This is a manifold from an automatic transmission, Y8, and I have a Y7 manual. And the reason why you want this particular one is this area is blocked off and you don't have to seal it. This is where the ICV valve is on these, so if you find a manual transmission, this will actually be carved out. You'll have to block this off. So if you get the automatic version of this, it's sealed. This is better, especially if you're going to boost the car and you want to use this throttle body and not buy another one, which if you're going to boost it, you know, this will work fine. But you want to make sure that you don't have to block that off, because you can blow that out and blow the seal. Other than that, you want to basically block off this port right here. So we're not going to use that. I mean, you could put a gauge on there and watch your air pressure or whatnot, but you don't need that. This is the only one we're going to need here. As far as the small, everything else will be good. The only other thing you want to look for is you want to find a throttle body that basically spins. So this little notch here is at the top, because on the on this manifold, your throttle cable is going to come from here, go down, around, spin into here. That way when it pulls, it's going to pull this forward like that. So you can either take this assembly off if you have the one for the automatic, pull this whole assembly off and put it on the one from your car, which is for the manual. Because if you notice, these are different. Spin it this way, kind of see that's at the bottom. This is for the manual, that's for the automatic. So it spins the other way. Other than that, this is the automatic. I just basically swapped everything over and kept this throttle body because it'll work. Bought a new ICV valve for this one, so this ICV is brand new. And then the only other thing I'm gonna have to do is this map sensor is for the wrong car, so this needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy one of these, or either I'm gonna pull it off the other throttle body, which should be somewhere. I've already pulled it off, as you can see. It's just, I don't know where it is, but yeah. So got to replace this. Everything else should be straight. Then when I put it on the car, basically all I have to do, since all this is in place, I need to replace the map sensor, put the other map sensor on, put the injectors in, put the fuel rail on, bolt that together, slam it on the car, and we're good. Makes it easy. So this is step one, and then I'll show you once we get it on the car. We will basically might have to extend the wires, meaning unwrap the wires from the harness, kind of pull stuff so we can make sure everything gets to where it needs to go. Alright, so that'll be another video, just kind of giving you straightforward information on this one, kind of what you need to do, what you need to look for when you're at the junkyard. So definitely the right throttle body. The cool thing is, if you have this, which would be for your manual, then you can just take the guts from here, unbolt this, slide this out, put it on here, you're good to go, and then you can use your original throttle body. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to have everything, and I wanted to keep a separate throttle body altogether. So I'll have, the older throttle body that is on the car now will stay on that manifold, and I'll just pull the whole manifold, because I have another matching motor, so that will go with that motor, and this will go in that car. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do so far, and we will follow this up in another video. You guys take it easy. Peace. Look out for part 2.